रीडिंग मिसकंस्ट्रूड हो सकता है, क्योंकि कभी भी हम कंपैरिजन जब भी करें तो हमें उससे कंपेयर करना है जिस देश की पॉपुलेशन इक्विवेलेंट है। हम कभी भी जिन देशों की पॉपुलेशन हमारे देश के अनुपात में काफ़ी कम है उससे तुलना नहीं कर सकते हैं। इसके साथ ही आज हम लोगों के साथ DGI समर साहब प्रेजेंट हैं। आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट सर टू गिव हिज इनपुट्स।
Thank you, Love. As you have mentioned, that the cases per lakh population is amongst the lowest in the world as far as India is concerned, if you compare to several countries across, as is shown in this slide. Similarly, the number of deaths per lakh population is also amongst the lowest in the world as far as India is concerned. And this finding is actually corroborated by the sero-surveillance which we have undertaken to monitor the trend of this SARS-CoV-2 infection transmission. Now, what is a sero-survey? A sero-survey, we collect blood samples from a general population and test them for IgG antibodies. And if the antibody test is positive, it means
स्वास्थ्य
that the
मंत्रालय
person has been
की
infected
प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में
in the
कोरोना
past.
की स्थिति के बारे में
And
बताया
what do
जा
we
रहा है
expect from these
कि देश में
sero-surveys?
कौन-कौन से ऐसे
We
प्रभावित
expect to see
राज्य
the
हैं जहां
percentage in
पर
the
स्वास्थ्य
general
सुविधाएं
population,
बढ़ाई गई हैं।
who is at a higher risk of getting infection, which are the areas which need more contained efforts, which need to be
और जो
strengthened.
कंटेनमेंट जोन्स
And the
हैं,
objective
जिस शहर
is
में
to
कंटेनमेंट
provide,
जोन है वहां पर
scientific guidance from
जो
time
स्वास्थ्य
to
की
time,
सुविधाएं हैं वो
and that
किस
is
तरह
the
से
purpose
पहुंच
of,
रही हैं,
this,
इस बारे में
one of the
डिटेल में
very
ब्यौरा
early
दिया
surveys
जा
that
रहा
we
है।
have done, and multiple surveys will be done as we go on to guide. And similarly, we have been providing the scientific evidence either through the National Task Force or the Joint Monitoring Group to the government, which is the National Task Force chairman is Dr. Vinod Paul, and the Joint Monitoring Group is chairman of the DGHS, and we've been providing scientific evidence. So now let's come to this sero survey. So this was the first sero survey conducted in May in collaboration with the state health departments, in collaboration with the NCDC and the WHO. And basically it had two parts.
राज्यों के स्वास्थ्य
The first
विभाग और
part was to
WHO
estimate a
के
fraction of population
सानिध्य
being
में
infected
एक तरह से
with
साझा
SARS-CoV
सर्वे का
in the
प्रयास
general
किया गया था जो
population, and that
मई
was,
में कराया गया
that is the
कोरोना की
part that
स्थिति को
is
जानने के लिए।
completed at the moment. And the second part is
इसी
the
सर्वे के
look
बारे में
at
जानकारी दी जा
the
रही।
prevalence of this SARS-CoV-2 infection in containment zones in hotspot cities, and that is ongoing as we speak. Now the data was collected, as I mentioned. We took it a written informed consent and ethics clearance, and 3 to 5 ml of venous blood was taken, and then this sera was evaluated for the IG antibodies by the ELISA test, and this ELISA test is also being made available to the states to carry out sero survey in different groups of individuals within their states.
तो
Now in
जो
this,
कोरोना से जुड़े हुए
part
टेस्ट
one of the
हैं
survey which
वो
is
किस तरह
complete,
से
we had
किए जा
was
रहे
a
हैं
population
कंटेनमेंट
based
जोन
survey
में
in
और
which
उसके
several
बाद जो
districts were
सर्वे
studied
कराया
and
गया था
divided into 4 groups.
उस आधार पर एक आंकड़ा सामने आया है
each group,
जो कि
whether it is
जानकारी दी
zero
जा रही है
prevalence
स्वास्थ्य
by
मंत्रालय की
RT-PCR
तरफ से
or 0 to 5 or 5 to 10 or more than 10% per million cases in different districts were divided into 4 groups, and 15 districts were in each group, and 400 individuals were studied from each district. And then from each village or urban area, we selected 10 villages and 40 adults, and every household one adult was studied. So we actually studied about 83 districts in the country, and number of households that were visited were 28,595.
83 जिलों में ये सर्वे कराया गया और 28,000 घरों में सैंपल टेस्टिंग जैसा कि बताया जा रहा है
400 individuals.
टेस्टिंग के माध्यम से आंकड़े जुटाए गए हैं।
We found that about 0.73% of the population in these districts showed a prevalence of past exposure to SARS-CoV-2 infection. This means that the lockdown and the containment measures have been successful in keeping it low, and preventing rapid spread of this disease.
बड़ी बात कही जा रही है कि जो लॉकडाउन का ऐलान किया गया था 25 मार्च से, और लॉकडाउन और जितने भी कंटेनमेंट जोन में लॉकडाउन की जो नियमों का पालन हुआ वो कामयाब रहा, क्योंकि इन जिलों में 83 जिलों में 0.73% ही कोरोना के मरीज सामने आए, जो कि बताता है कि लॉकडाउन कामयाब रहा। और सबसे ज्यादा इनमें गांव और दूर दराज के इलाके।
It was 0.08% as far as this 26,000 individuals was looking at the population. The infection in the containment zone were found to be high and variable, and this is still ongoing, and this data is still being looked at.
और जितना भी इन्फेक्शन या संक्रमण कंटेनमेंट जोन में सामने आया था वो सबसे ज्यादा था हाई रिस्क था, और इस वजह से ये आंकड़े भी उसी हिसाब से आगे बढ़े।
नॉन फार्माकोलॉजिकल इंटरवेंशन सच एज फिजिकल डिस्टेंसिंग, यूज ऑफ फेस मास्क, हैंड हाइजीन, cough etiquette, and urban slums are highly vulnerable for the spread of infection, and the local lockdown measures need to continue as advised by the Government of India, particularly in those containment areas, and they have been successful up till now.
जो गांव के इलाके हैं वहां पर सख्ती से हमने पालन कराने की कोशिश की, चाहे वो सामाजिक दूरी हो, मास्क का इस्तेमाल हो,
pregnant women, children
या फिर तमाम तरह के नियम हो कोरोना से लड़ने के लिए,
particularly protected. And efforts to limit the scale and spread of the disease will have to be continued by strong implementation of containment strategies by all the states. And the states cannot, and I emphasize here, the states cannot lower their guard and need to keep on implementing effective surveillance and containment strategies for preventing the spread of this disease. So I will stop here, and I request Professor